Still looking for new ways to fix your credit? Well, keep on watching because I have this new way that I just found, and I am telling you all of the pros and cons about it, plus the little information about it. So keep watching. If you're on the road to getting your credit in order and you're trying to make sure that you increase your credit score, go ahead and put credit in the comment section right now so that I can make sure that I know that I need to make more videos like this for you so that you can get your credit in order. Hi there guys, and thank you for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that are going to help you on your road to know your money. And today I am talking about the newest credit builder account, Kikoff. Now, it might not be new to everyone, but it's new to some. And you know, I always try to bring you new and innovative ways to increase your credit, fix your credit, repair your credit, whatever you need to do to get your credit under control. I'm always bringing that information to you. So without much further ado, let's talk about Kikoff. So the first thing you need to know about Kikoff is it helps consumers establish the positive payment history and it lowers utilization. So that means when you pay on it every month, it just looks like you have a line of credit. There are two lines of credit that they have. There's one that is $2,500 and then the other one is $750. Now for the $2,500 line of credit, we pay $20 a month for that. And then for the $750 line of credit, I pay $5 for that a month. So the benefit of these is to help, like I said, reduce your utilization on your credit and also to increase your history. So if it's positive payments every month, you're making sure that you're paying on time, then it looks really good and then it's helping your credit. Thus far, so I've been doing it for about, I'll say 5 months, if I'm not mistaken. This is June going into July. So actually 6 months. I've been doing it for 6 months and it has actually increased my score, not by a large amount like the other things that I refer to you, Self and Chime, but it has increased my score at least by 15 to 20 points. And that is beneficial because every point helps, right? So you want to make sure that you're paying this on time and that you get the ones that are going to help you. So for me, I got the cheaper one, the $750. I don't know why, but I just got that one. For my husband, I got the $2,500 one, and both of them are helping increase our credit scores. Now, let me go over a few pros and cons because I know everybody wants to know what is going on with it. Why is it helping? Why is everybody talking about it, right? So the buzz is that Kikoff is going to help you without a credit check. So that is a pro. They don't check your credit. There's no additional fees or finance charges or anything like that. And they have a cash card that offers credit building, money back on purchases, $200 bonus after 3 months of direct deposits. So those are the benefits of having this credit builder or credit increase account. Now, the downfall of having this account is that the one that is $750, they only report to Equifax and Experian. So those are the ones that get the information. They do not report to TransUnion. And then they have a line of credit that can be accessed, but it is only to buy things from the Kikoff organization. So those things you would have to go on their website and see what they offer, but you can only buy things in the actual account or with the actual business with the money that you have or the credit limit that you have. You can't use that credit to go like my Self card or my Open Sky card or my Chime card. You can't use that money to go outside somewhere and purchase things separately from what's inside of Kikoff. And then the last thing is that the credit builder loan reports to only TransUnion and Equifax as of today. Now, today it is, that's what they're reporting to now. It might change in the future, or they might start reporting to all three from both credit builder accounts. However, I just say that this is a great resource for people, like I said before, that are looking to increase their credit score, to make sure that they are increasing their utilization score and increasing their history score. Now, if you are looking to look at your credit report, you don't know exactly what you're looking at, or you just need to get your credit report and review it, I do have a credit report checklist that you can look at. You would read it and look at the questions that you need to find out what is going on your credit report. And once you look over those questions and answer them and do the check off, then it will help you on your road to cleaning up your credit. I will put the link to that questionnaire or that checklist below in the description box. And I will definitely link to the website, or the Kikoff website, and then also the videos where I talk about self, where I talk about Chime, where I talk about Open Sky, and also where I talk about how to request your credit reports. So I hope this information has helped you. Make sure you share it with your friends and family. And if you liked this video or anything, go ahead and put credit in the comment section. I really want to help you guys get your credit in order, and if you like this video and you put credit in the comment section, I will definitely do more videos like this. All right, thanks for joining me and have a great one. Bye.